To delete a page on Facebook, head on to open your Facebook app, and then at the top right hand corner tap on your profile picture. When you scroll down a bit, you're going to see the option pages. Tap on it. Then you select the page you want to delete. So let's say I want to delete this page. I'll tap on it. Then it will ask you to switch to have proper access to the page. So I'll tap on switch. Now the page has opened up. The next thing to do is to look at the top again, top right hand corner, tap on your profile picture, then scroll down a bit and you're going to see the option settings and privacy. Tap on it. Head on to tap on settings again at the top, then you scroll down and under the option your information, you're going to see access and control. Access your information, download your information. So you tap on access and control. So here you have the option to deactivate the page, which is temporary, or unpublish the page temporarily, or delete the page permanently. So you want to delete the page, so you tap on delete the page, then tap on continue. So you're going to tell Facebook why you want to delete the page. So select any of the options. So I would say I don't find this page useful. Tap on it. Then tap on continue, and then Facebook will also give you options to either save your post in archives before you delete the page, or download your information before you delete the page. So it's your choice. If you want to save the posts in your archive, then you tap on go to activity log. If you want to download your information, you tap on download info. But I don't want to do any of that. I'll just tap on continue. Then I'll be prompted to enter my password. So I'll go ahead and add my password. So it's asking me to confirm if I want to delete the page. So I'll tap on delete page. And the page has been deleted. So it has brought me back to my Facebook account. And then it will ask me to log in again afresh so that I would continue with normal activities, and the other page which I deleted will no longer reflect itself. If you got value in this video, do also like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification button so you don't miss out of my subsequent content. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in my next video. Later.